Welcome to our channel, where we upload daily high-quality videos to help you discover the best products out there. Today, we're delving into the world of handheld vacuums, searching for the top contenders in the market. If you're looking for a powerful cleaning solution, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Black Plus Decker 20 volts Max Flex Handheld Vacuum. This cordless model from Black Plus Decker has amazing suction, a versatile nozzle for hard-to-reach places, and is suitable for just about any surface. It can even grab pet hair without any additional tools. The Black Plus Decker Pivot Vacuum is often compared to the pricey and elusive Dyson Humdinger, but it provides premium quality cleaning at less than one-third of the cost. This lithium-ion powered handheld vac has 2 cleaning speeds, including a power boost mode to help banish tough spills. Aside from some of the strongest suction power in its class, the 200-degree pivoting nozzle is the star of the show. Easily suck up dirt from hard-to-reach places, including underneath furniture, crevices in the car, and overhead shelving. This vac also comes with a crevice tool that helps you refresh all the inconspicuous areas in your home, like under the couch or on top of the fridge, plus a brush for tough messes. Number 2. Shark WS633 3-in-1 Wand Vac System. This handheld model doubles as a stick vacuum and features a 3-in-1 system with everything you need to clean stairs, furniture, floors, and more. This 3-in-1 set from Shark really has it all when it comes to lightweight, thorough vacuuming. Available in 6 colors, this wand vac starts out as a cordless stick vacuum with flexible silicone power fins on the high-speed motor suitable for use on carpets, hardwood floors, and tile. With the quick touch of a button, this stick vacuum converts to a convenient handheld vacuum for quick cleanup. Weighing under 2.1 pounds, your wrist won't get tired of carrying this model around, even as it fills with dirt and dust. Attach the wand extender to clean hard-to-reach areas, including cabinets, shelving, or underneath low-profile furniture. 25 minutes of battery life is better than most models, and the one-touch dirt cup is easy to empty over your trash can. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is our favorite tool for getting rid of clingy pet hairs. The motorized brush makes picking up what muffin left behind a breeze. This powerful machine weighs a little over 4 pounds and expertly removes dirt from your home using a motorized brush tool designed to release pet hair's strong hold on, let's face it, everything you own. A miracle worker for any surface, but this brush is particularly useful for high-pile rugs and furniture. The bristles gently yet powerful pull hair up and off surfaces before sucking them up. The Pet Hair Eraser also comes with a flat upholstery tool that suctions right onto the surface and maintains a steady fabric grip. The crevice tool is, of course, useful for hard-to-reach areas. With a lithium-ion battery, you'll get 17 minutes of consecutive use before it needs to recharge. Triple filtration keeps suction power strong, and the easy empty dirt cup is simple to use. Number 4. Black Plus Decker 20 volts Max Flex Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Black Plus Decker 20 volts Max Flex Cordless Stick Vacuum is a handheld vacuum that will deliver a professional quality clean for your car, equipped with both wet and dry capabilities. There are other, smaller handheld vacuums like the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus, which, though designed for pet pickup, do a fantastic job with just about any surface, including cars. However, we want to find something specifically designed to help you thoroughly clean your vehicle. Enter the Black Plus Decker 20 volts Max Flex Cordless Stick Vacuum. This lightweight suction machine is essentially a handheld stick vacuum with a 4-foot extendable hose, 3-stage filtration, and a washable filter. It also comes with a crevice tool and utility nozzle for your car's hard-to-clean nooks and crannies. You'll be able to clean for 30 to 40 minutes straight once acquired. Number 5. Shark HH202 Ultralight Corded Handheld Vacuum. This lightweight, corded handheld vacuum has a 15-foot cord and an easy-to-empty dust cup, so you don't have to worry about snags or sneezes while vacuuming. This handheld vacuum has a generous 15-foot cord to help you clean larger areas or tricky spots that aren't right next to an outlet, and a short nozzle helps remove debris from upholstery in your home and car with easy reach. It also comes with a crevice and wide mouth tool, so you can suck up stubborn crumbs or destroy large dust collections in a matter of seconds. It's bagless, so when you're done cleaning, all you need to do is empty the vacuum directly into the trash. Easily conquer tough messes and tight spaces with a sleek, tapered design and incredibly powerful suction. This Shark Hand Vac also features an easy-to-empty removable dust cup and includes specialized tools for added versatility and functionality.